Now maximum of the coding part is done for the game. We have done the coding part, of we have written the script for the bird, we have written the script for the obstacle. Now when to stop, you are aware, since we are developing a game we have to stop somewhere. So when we are going to stop, we will be stopping when the egg touches the bird, that is the obstacle touches the bird, or the bird landed upon the obstacle, we have to stop the coding, or we have to stop the game. Now moving to the scratch, you have to see that you are there on the egg part. The at the bottom there will be two sprite, we have to see that we are using the egg sprite. Now when we go on the egg sprite, the first block that we are making use of is control block. In control block you will be able to see stop all. So what I'm doing, I'm just dragging stop all over here, and when we require to stop, wait until, till what time we are going to wait, till the obstacle or till the chick landed up on the obstacle. So we are having a block called as sensing block. We have to go to the sensing block. The first block you are able to see touching. Now we have to drag exactly this on the hexagon which we are able to see inside wait until. It will be fitted onto that, and we have to change the pointer to check. So this is the block. And in events what I have to do, I have to go on the green flag. Done. So now see what will happen now. You are able to see that it is landing and it is jumping exactly. Now what I will be doing, see it touched, and when I'm just owning the game again, or when I'm just playing the game again, this bird is exactly over here. This is the problem in the game. We don't want such kind of problems. So what I will do, I will go to the script part of the bird. When green flag is clicked, and we have to go to the motion block. In the motion block you will be able to see go to XY. We have to select the bird exactly at the bottom part of the screen. So we are selecting the XY coordinate. What is the XY coordinate? It is minus 176 and 119. The same thing you are able to see over here, minus 116 and 119. Now I will be playing the game. Perfect. Now I'm not owning it. Okay, it's stopped. One more time, I'll be jumping, and I'll be jumping and I'll be stopping in between. Now you are able to see it has stopped in between. What will happen if I restart the game? If I restart the game, the bird will be exactly at the landing part. So the problem is solved. So remember, we have done two codings over here. First is first is about the egg, and second is when the bird is landing. In the obstacle part we have to go for this particular block also, that is when green flag is clicked. Wait until. So this is the coding part for the bird to land up exactly on the floor when it has collided with the obstacle, and when the game will stop and it collide with the obstacle.